The knee is first in full extension and then it's slightly flexed 20 degrees so that it is unlocked.
Three method.
So, unlock siya first. Unlock mo siya 20 to 30 degrees flexion. So patandaan ko din, di ba kung valgus, hindi ka posisyon inside or outside?
Valgus.
Outside, di ba? So outside ko ni patient, kundi sa medial side niya. So stabilize the knee sa lateral side. Isa mo kahan dire. Ano brown mo? Valgus stress. Paano ka valgus stress? Pasulog or pagwa? Pagwa lang. So, you stress your knee. Valgus stress. Okay? So I think that's the first method. Next one, resting the test type on the examiner table enables the patient to relax more and it's easier for the examiner. Especially kung syempre hindi mo niya manipulate tanong. Di ba? Kung nabok ang standard na plane. So, relax. Okay, rest on the edge. The knee rests on the edge of the table. The lower leg is controlled by the examiner stabilizing the thigh on the table. And the lower leg is abducted, applying a valgus stress to the lang. Lower leg is abducted. Same lang yan. Kung lang ito nga, hand placement. Lateral side, direct, medial side. So, abducted. Paano ka mag-valgus stress? Pasulur or pagwa? Pagwa lang yan, valgus stress. That's for the second method. Last method. Okay. It's called, plain na pala niya, may ano na siya, may name na siya, Houston's valgus stress test. So same lang, position described earlier. The examiner faces the patient's foot, placing his or her body against the patient's thigh to help stabilize the upper leg. So anong difference nila is di kaga-grasp sa may big toe. So okay lang kami. So may big toe, di ba? Big toe. Same nga stabilization. For this time, nasa big toe, ang pag apply mo sa valgus stress. Gans lang. So si Houston valgus, din kaga apply force sa big toe. Then ipa labas mo siya. Next. So if the test is positive, again, hamunin silang structures on the big toe, dapat sila. Meaning that tibia moves away from the femur, an excessive amount in the valgus stress test is applied. For example, pag valgus stress mo, the tibia moves excessively away from the femur. So, dako-dako ang difference compared sa piyak na side. No, kung baga super lax siya, yung feel mo ganyan do separate si tibia sa femur. So these are the structures na may be affected. So number 1, si MCL, right? Medial side. Next, posterior oblique ligament, posterior medial capsule, included man si ACL and si PCL. Also medial quads expansion, then your semimembranosus muscle. So memorize all the 7 affected structures.
Sige. Let's proceed with your virus. So, opposite lang kagina sa valgus stress test nyo. So, kagina, si Sir Jackster din ganing katindog. Sagwa. So, given yung kung virus stress test, ang PT is arasa.
Salat.
Sige. So, nakabutang that, first done sa knee extension gyapon. So, same lang gito gyapon nga ma-move ka, it's either 20 or 30 degrees of knee flexion. Depende sa inyo kung paano nyo i-position. Siyempre, banta-banta. Tapos, makita nyo, first kagina kay Sir Jackster, ang iya is, di ba diri siya ya butang sang force. Tapos pagwa. This time, ang hari pasulod, ang sa may ankle above the lateral malleolus, amo ni siya nga pasulod, then ang imo nga force nga sa knee mo is pagwa. So, relax na sir ha. So, if mo na, ang matabo is 1, 2, 3. Okay, gets lang. Bale, varus and valgus stress test, all the time, opposite lang sila. Okay? Sige, next step. Sige, Houston's varus stress test. Kung kagina, ang sa valgus is ara kagauyat sa big toe, this time ara ka sa imo nga, then guys,
Letong to.
fifth and fourth toe. Okay? So, and applies the varus stress to the knee in extension and slightly 20 to 30 degrees flexion gyapon. So, diri ka naman gauyat, but ang imo force is same ng gyapon. Gets? Pero gamay ka po. Depende. Basta dapat ginauyatan mo gid siya fully para stabilize man ang kay patient. Hindi avoid na tas ang any injuries. Okay? Gets na guys? So, opposite lang sa valgus. Tanan. Okay? These are the following structures. So, memorize. Your fibular, posterolateral capsule, arcuate, popliteus, biceps femoris, PCL, ACL, lateral gastrocs, and your ITB. Next. Sige. Active drawer test. So, yung active drawer test, pamisaron nyo nga isometric test siya. So, daw ga-test ka, muscle test. Daw ga muscle test ka. Kay, ginapunggan mo di, while ang patient mo is gina-instruct mo to straighten the knee. Okay? Sige. Here. Patient is positioned as for the normal drawer test. Flex to 90 degrees and the hip is flex to 45 degrees. Examiner holds the patient's foot down. The patient is asked to try to straighten the leg. So, straighten the leg. And the examiner prevents the patient from doing this. So, duga MMT ka lang gyapon. Okay. Sige. The count of 3, sir. Please try to straighten your leg. 1, 2, 3. So, as we all know, ano ka mo magkambal? Isometric, gani. So, may movement or wala?
Wala.
Okay. So, dapat, hindi pag-i-move ni patient. Or dapat, ang inyo kusog na gamiton is very maximum gid guys, resistance. Sige. Sir, try to extend or straighten your leg. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Sige. Sige. Next is we have your drawer sign. So, the flexi patient. Patient's knee is flexed to 90 and the hip is flexed to 45 degrees. The patient's foot is held on the table by the examiner's body, with the examiner sitting on the patient's forefoot and the foot in neutral rotation. The examiner's hands are placed around the tibia to ensure that the hamstring muscles are relaxed. The tibia is then drawn forward on the femur. So, paano niya stabilize? Kung kuhaan niya lang. Forefoot ni patient. Okay? Then, uyat ka mo di. Then, you move the tibia. Ang tibia ni DN? DN? Medial. Okay, sige. There. Kita nyo? Kaamo ni. Uyat. Then, you move. Okay? So, push or pull the tibia forward, anteriorly. Okay? That's it. Next. Okay. Lachman test. So, sa Lachman test, though 9 is sila kabilog, bali, ang 8 is modification. So, for the Lachman test, this is the best indicator of injury to the ACL. Patient lies supine with the involved leg beside the examiner. Examiner holds the patient's knee between full extension and 30 degrees of flexion. Patient's femur is stabilized with one of the examiner's hands. So, sir, medyo bend naman. So, femur. Then, while the proximal aspect of the tibia is moved forward with the other or your inside hand. So, inside hand nyo, already. Then, you try to move. Stabilize. Move. Move. Okay? Ni. Buyat di. Then you move. 1. So, guys, kung tibia, ganing ginamove nyo, medial side, ka mo at all times. Okay? Next step. Sige, let's start with your modification 1. So, for your modification 1, si patient, sige, ara sa edge ng table. Examiner sits facing the patient and supports the foot of the test leg on the examiner's thigh so that the patient's knee is flexed 30 degrees. So, diri siya. Okay? The examiner stabilizes the thigh with one hand and pulls the tibia forward with the other hand. Excessive forward motion is considered to be positive. So, pag uyat nyo di, since tibia nyo is sa medial, resting yun dapat guys ha, ang tiil ni patient nyo. Then you move the tibia forward. So, kung ang movement sa tibia is very excessive, like for example, kaan mo na gini, then positive sign siya. Okay? That is your modification 1. Get? Let's proceed with your 2. Sige. Ang 2 nyo, para ni sa mga gagmay ang hands. Okay? So, patient lies supine with the knee resting on the examiner's knee. One of the examiner's hands stabilizes the femur against the examiner's thigh and the other hand applies on the anterior stress. Other hand applies on anterior stress. Sige sir, please supine the head. Patient lies supine with the knee resting on the examiner's knee. Sumsaka. Ini guys. So, mani. Bale, ang inyong ani is amo somehow ma-stabilize or mahatag wait lang sir, relax. Ang inyong ani will serve as towel. Pero pwede lang man towel, Hindi lang towel. Galing. By the book ta guys. Hindi ka mag-towel ha. By the book ta. So, resting at the examiner's knee. One of the examiner's hands stabilizes the femur against the examiner's thigh. And the other hand applies an anterior stress. So, dapat somehow naka-flat. Then, push down. Then, medial gyapon. Then, pull. Okay, gets?
So for small people, convenient niya siya.
Yes.
Pero kung lapak naman ka
Ay, sorry. Sabi ka may kamothaw. Gansita. Okay, sir. Okay na niya. Okay. Sige. Push down mo siya. Push down mo siya. Uyat hindi. Grasp mo kitmay. Then you nan. Nan. Ano yan? Okay. Sige, so ako to guys. For small hands lang ni siya ng mga people, very helpful siya. Sige, next. Sige, modification 3. Medyo dagdagan mo yung mga... Ay, dito na siguro.